INTERGATOR Patent Search, in its latest version, features assistance for an easier introduction to patent research. These assist the user in guided creation of complex queries for which several steps were previously required. Upon accessing the homepage, in addition to the classic input field, 3 boxes appear for assisted novelty search, opposition research, and freedom to operate research. If you prefer to continue searching for patents iteratively and step by step, this can of course be done at any time via the central input field. The assistants differ in terms of the input fields, but in principle always work according to the same scheme. The procedure will be briefly explained using the example of an opposition research. Begin your opposition research by clicking on the box. A pop-up appears asking you to enter a patent number. INTERGATOR Patent Search first checks if it is a valid publication and initially searches for the relevant document in the database. If this information is sufficient for you, you can skip the further steps at any time by clicking on Accept, and with one click you will receive an extended search query. In the next step, the patent search offers the 5 best keywords within the patent document, as well as additional ones. Here, the AI of the INTERGATOR Patent Search comes into play, automatically extracting these key terms. These keywords can be selected or deselected with a click. Based on experience, these terms should be selected, as they will greatly improve the relevance of the results at a later stage. In the applicant step, the search suggests including the patent applicant in the query to favor additional documents from the same applicant. In opposition research, there are applicants who serve a very broad portfolio but may contradict themselves. Finally, the overarching technology domain is pre-selected. This filters the results list using relevant IPC classes. From the inputs, and after clicking Accept, the assistant creates a complex search query with numerous individual elements and executes the search. In the search field, in addition to the 5 best keywords, additional filters have been added, which can be edited later. Each keyword can be changed in its mode of action, whether lexical, semantic, or hybrid, or additionally expanded with more keywords. A priority date has been added, which limits the results to the earliest application that is older than the initial document. Another new feature is the amplification filter, which was automatically derived from the generated keywords. Based on the keywords marked in the assistant, 2 additional similar terms were added for each. These keywords are added to the query as a lexical search, with at least 2 having to appear in each result. This approach measurably reduces irrelevant results and brings the relevant results higher up in the overall list of hits. The assistants simplify the entry into research and improve the ranking of relevant results. Instead of laborious individual steps, a complex search query is automatically generated with just a few general inputs, which can then be further refined.